Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get your Hard Rock Bait account on suspended using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Try logging in with your usual credentials to see the suspension message. The app will often give a reason for the suspension, such as age verification, account verification, or terms of service issues. Take note of the reason because you need it when contacting support. Go to help or support section in the app. You can chat live, send an email, or call support directly. Explain your situation politely and provide any requested information like your ID, email, or account details. Hard Rock may ask you to verify your identity. This could include sending a photo, ID, or confirming your personal information. Follow the instruction carefully to prove your account belongs to you. After providing the information, support will review your case. Most accounts are on suspended within 24 to 48 hours. If everything checks out, keep an eye on your email for confirmation. And that's it. By contacting support and verifying your information, you can get your Hard Rock Bait account unsuspended and start betting again safely on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.